Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with me, and I wanted to show you a few more things that we got in while we were gone. Let me put out a pretty flower here so that you'll have something to look at while I talk just a moment. I did want to talk to you just a moment because we have got some changes coming in the store. The first change is you will notice here very, very soon that we're going to have a page in the store for our design team to post up their projects and videos and that kind of thing. So we'll have a page at the top where it says store and Kit Club and all that. There'll be a page that says design team, and if you click on that you'll be able to go over and see projects by our design team. So that's one big change. We're excited about that because our design team is absolutely blowing it out of the water. They are making some of the most beautiful projects, and we want you to not miss out on any of those. Also, every other month, Tantalea, which is one of our design team members and our admin, she will be doing projects using our kits that come in our Kit Club. So this month she did projects using the March kit, and then next month she'll do projects from other things in the store, and then in May she will do a project with the May kit. So every other month you'll get to see projects made out of our kits. I have a lot of people who message me and say, I got the kit, but what do I do with it? Well, our kits are open kits, so that means that you get paper and embellishments and stamps and inks and all of that kind of stuff in the kits, and you just make whatever you want to make with it. We try to give you a few examples sometimes when we have time, but we're limited on our time here, so we're going to kind of pass that on to Tantalea now, and hopefully she can put up some videos that will give you some different ideas of things to do. But mainly the kits are just, they're jam-packed full with good things that you can use on anything that you want. There's enough product there that you can do mini albums, layouts, just whatever that you want. But if there ever is a question when you get a kit about a certain product that is in there that you've never used before, you don't know how to use, just message me, and if nothing else, I'll do a video using that particular product just to show you how it works. Okay, this is a biggie that's going to be changing for our store. Now, you know, at the first of the year, we went from having a Facebook store and a .com store. We closed our Facebook store and just concentrated on the .com store and then our brick and mortar store. The reason being is we just could not keep up, and it's been very, very hard for us to keep some good help here. People will work for a while and then they're gone, and you know, I can't afford to pay tons and tons of money, so I tried to get like high school kids that needed just some extra money, but it seemed like they worked for a little while and then they would quit and go find another job, or either they just quit and didn't want to work. So it's been hard for us to find the extra people to do all of the 3 stores. So I closed the Facebook store, and we're just concentrating on the brick and mortar store and the .com store. When we had our Facebook store, we did lots and lots of pre-orders. Pre-order can be very good if you know of a product that you're wanting and you just want to go ahead and put your name in line for it. They can be very good. But the problem with that is, and we're finding this out more this year than ever before. Before, it seemed like there would be some products that would be discontinued, but normally we would get in what we had ordered because we do pre-order. As soon as we know a product is coming out, we go ahead and call our person at the vendors, and we tell them that we want to go ahead and pre-order that. So we might pre-order something, a new product, 3 months ahead of time. But this year we have had a problem getting our pre-orders in. They promise us one date and it doesn't show, and then they promise another date and it doesn't show, and then now, just like on the lavender collection, we got word yesterday from the vendor that they're discontinuing the lavender collection. Why? I do not know, because that collection is so popular right now. Everybody's wanting it. We've got some that is supposed to be in Friday. I know there's still some of you out there who have a few pre-orders left, that some of the 12 by 12 papers especially. We're supposed to get that in Friday. We've already got a tracking number and it shows to be in the box. So hopefully, we're hoping and praying that it comes in on Friday. But, you know, we was promised this 2 months ago. And here it is, you know, going to be the end of March when we're going to get it. So things like this have been happening a lot this year from different vendors. And we're just, you know, I hate to have to keep telling you, well, we don't have it yet. We're sorry it hadn't come in yet. I don't want people thinking that I'm just delaying. I do not delay. As soon as it comes in the door, we put it in our shipping department and they ship it right back out to you. But, you know, I know a lot of people order and they have certain projects in mind that they want to do. And it's just hard to do that when you can't get it when you're expecting. So we will no longer be taking pre-orders. Everything that you see in the shop, unless it says sold out under it, is in the shop, is in stock. So if you see something that says sold out, then that's sold out for the time being, but we have more on order and we'll, you know, replace it as soon as we can. But you will no longer see, as soon as we get through, I think this week we're trying to get all of those pre-orders taken down, but you will no longer see an album or a product that says pre-order. All of those will be taken down. Now, let me say this. I have had people, you know, customers that have been with me for years and years and years. If you know of something that's coming out that you really, really want and you want to go ahead and just tell me what it is so I can put your name down, I don't have a problem with that. Just email me, and this will be my email right here. So if you know of an item, collection, whatever that's coming out that you definitely want and you don't want to miss out on, then go ahead and email me and let me know. I will take them that way. But we will no longer take pre-orders through the store where you pre-order, you pay, and then you have to wait. We'll no longer do it that way. If you send me an email, I'll write your name down, and when the product gets in the store, I will bill you. But that being said, we do have a note to that effect on the store as well. So just keep in mind that everything that you order from this week forward, if it will let you order it through the store, then we have it in stock. And I will say this is a little clause I'm going to stick in here, unless somebody has miscounted on our inventory, and that does happen. We're human. But so feel free that if you order, you will get your product. We ship out within 24 hours, so if you order today, then we would ship your product out tomorrow. Alright, now that being said, let's go back to what some of the new product that we got in. We got in more of the glass bead gel from Faber-Castell, and I wanted to show you that card. Hold on just a minute and let me grab that card. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the card. Look at that. I used just my stencils. I stenciled this butterfly in and then I cut him out. And then this is just a Tim Holtz stencil, the rose. Isn't that pretty? And when it dried, just look at that. Look at the color that it pulls in. It's got little, I think you can see it if I hold it that way. It's got little glass beads in there, and then it also has glitter in it. And it's not going anywhere. It doesn't come off. I absolutely love it. So this is the glass bead glitter gel. We've got that back in stock. We sold out right after that card went up. We also have my favorite, the diamond stickles. We have lots of those in stock. So grab those. That is my absolute favorite. I use them all the time. We have the glitter gloss pens by Nuvo back in stock. Those are back up now. We also got in the Nuvo glue pens, and this is the large one. It has the large flat tip on it, and then this is the medium one. We've got some of those in, and then I think we have the pens, the smaller ones in. They're not in yet, but they will be coming in. We got in tons and tons of 49 and Market flowers. These are the new flowers for spring, and they're beautiful. These are the white ones. Look at that. Those are the little blue. I think these are called Shadow. Look at that. Aren't they pretty? And they're not so dimensional that you couldn't put it on any project that you had. That's what I like about them. Love those. They've got the little pieces in there. And there's the red. Let's see. Let's pull out another color. There's this one is called just blue. That's called blue. Got in lots and lots of these. Let's see if we have another color here. This one is called Cerise. C-E-R-I-S-E. You know I don't pronounce words well. We got in those. These are pretty. And let's see. Oh, this one's pretty, I think. This is the navy. Isn't that pretty? Sorry about the glare. Those are gorgeous. They have the leaves with them. So we did get in tons, and I'll hold this over here so you can see. This is our basket of tons and tons of flowers. So go over and grab those. I will leave the links to all of these new products below. And like I said, just keep in mind that if you order, if it will let you order it, it is in stock, and we will be shipping it out within 24 hours to you. You also get I've had this question too, so let me cover this. You also get a notification from our shipper that says should have your tracking number on it, the day that it was shipped, and all that kind of stuff. So if you don't get that notification, just email us and I will make sure that it gets out to you. Sometimes there's a glitch and the notifications don't go out like they should. But if you don't get one within, a couple of days, just send me an email and let me know, and I'll be glad to send it out to you. Okay, guys, thank you so much for all of your orders. I really appreciate it. I appreciate your patronage, your sweetness, your kindness, and we will talk to you guys later. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Bye-bye.